Rise and grind, folks. Guys, I am on the way to an existing customer. I don't think this customer has an existing maintenance agreement with us. He just calls us whenever something breaks down. I think we came out here a couple years ago for one of the AC units. I don't know if he had a refrigerant issue or something with a capacitor, but I know we came out here at least 2 or 3 years ago to fix one of the AC units. This customer has, I believe, 2 furnaces, one for the first floor and one for the second floor. But guys, he called yesterday and said that the first floor furnace stopped working. I think this might be a York or a Ream, if I'm not mistaken. But guys, nonetheless, let's go take a look, and I'll see y'all when I get inside. All right, guys. This is an old school Lennox 90% furnace, G51NP. And according to the customer, this is the first floor unit. This unit stopped working last night. And right now, I just got the thermostat on. My inducer is running. And I'm not getting a fault code. The igniter's not glowing. Wait a minute. Now it just does a fault code. Left one off, right one. Fucking intermediate 2-stage. Guys, I'm using this phone here for eyes here so I can see. Pressure switch closed prior to activation. This might be a pressure switch here. So you see here, guys, every manufacturer can make their fault codes do whatever, whenever, but this particular one, it doesn't go off number of blinks. It's either slow, fast, or off. And as you see here, there's no number of blinks to specify what's what. But we have 1, 2, I believe this is a single stage. Let me turn the light on here. I believe this is a single stage furnace. I don't think this is 2-stage. This is a 0.95, and I presume that this is a negative one right here. Are both of these 0.95s? I believe so. Tell you what, guys, I'm gonna get my manometer, but I want to isolate each switch. I got to figure out which one of these switches aren't closing. I'll be right back, guys. I'm waiting for the time delay to turn off again from the thermostat, but both of these are indeed negative pressure switches, but they're both rated for the same inches of water column. So this might be an optional 2-stage furnace, but single stage gas valve, I highly doubt it. But nonetheless, we're definitely going to isolate each and every one of these switches here, and we'll figure out which switch is not closing, because I also want to make sure that the igniter is working. The customer thought that something was going on with the igniter, but I told him this is something that we have to diagnose in person, because if this igniter is not getting powered, then this won't be an igniter related issue. But guys, let me wait for water to boil and let me isolate these switches. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we found our culprit, but what I'm going to do is check for inches of water column to make sure my inducer is strong enough. Let me get to it, guys. I'll be right back. Inducer is strong, and also what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the flame sensor here. But let me get to it, guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm just doing a little multitasking. Here we go. Damn, I thought this was a test hole. right, now everything's fired up. And there you guys have it. Bad pressure switch. We first checked our inducer motor and make sure our inducer motor is strong. And after we tested our inducer motor, we isolated the switch, and there we have it. But guys, this customer got a basketball court out here. I gotta make sure I get my jump shots in. I'll be right back.
All right, good job.
Always remember, never question the dynamic between a customer and a contractor. Every single time I come here, I always got to take a jump shot. That's how it's done. That's how we got to do it, guys. But keep rocking and rolling. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.